Want to know how to change your avatar picture or in general your profile picture in Raid Shadow Legends? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, what you can do is you can just simply start up your Raid Shadow Legends application and make sure you are logged in and make sure you are cleared with all tutorials. So we have created a video on how to clear out the tutorials and play the game, so make sure to watch that as well. So once I've done that, on the top right side you should be seeing your profile right here with your previous or your default avatar. Just simply select that. And now make sure you are under player profile or player info on the leftmost side. So once you're there, on the bottom you should be seeing your profile picture or your avatar right here, and you can just simply select it or select its edit icon, and here you can see various avatars that you can choose from. So there is also locked ones that require premium, or you can choose any avatar and select confirm, and you should be good to go. And that's it. It's super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.